are, the big day. Drive shafts going bummer here. We're going to talk about some suspension stuff, but I thought let's talk about the drive shafts quickly before we get too far into that. These are drive shafts, shop shafts. Obviously there's a few derivatives there with different brands and there's different horsepower ratings, etc. I thought I'd just talk quickly about there's no indication of left or right. So if you've never done it before, you're going to need to sort of work that out pretty quickly. So what I did was look at the quick look at the axles. They're a little bit different in length, probably about inch and a half maybe. But the biggest giveaway will be this. Let's grab it. Hang on, let's grab your camera because I can't actually see what it's seeing. There we go. Yeah, you'll see where the splines are on this. You've got this short section there, splines, long section. So when I pull the old ones out, that's the easy giveaway as to which one goes where. So we'll see how we roll with that. Also, little quick handy hint for people who aren't as experienced in working on cars. If you jack it up so that the tyre is just off the ground, undo your top wheel nuts first because you're running a massive positive offset on your wheel, so it instantly wants to fall, well, that way. If you start at the bottom, you'll be fighting the fucking thing the whole time. So if I can do this, undo all the top wheel nuts, leave the bottom one to the last. I don't need to get my foot involved in the equation until that very last nut. Get them all out the way. Put the foot on the wheel. Last one. And holy shit, straight off. No damage to your fucking rims, no bullshit. And there we have it. One completely stock drive shaft. This is driver's side versus the DSS 800 horsepower. Now, there doesn't appear to be much difference in the actual axle itself, but I'm going to suggest it's all got to do with the rolled splines and fucking with other bullshit that goes on. Anywho, we're going to whack the bastard in.